In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a Google Analytics report for a specific web page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to see real-time activity for a single page and how to quickly zero in on the data that matters. First, open your Google Analytics account in your browser. Make sure you're in the correct property for the website you want to analyze. If your organization has multiple sites or data streams, confirm you've selected the right one so the report reflects the correct traffic. Next, click Reports in the left-hand navigation. This takes you from the general overview into the core reporting area where you can explore traffic and engagement. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it to see the full list and ensure you're in the Reports section rather than the Home snapshot. From here, choose Real-Time, then open the page's view. The real-time area updates every few seconds and shows what's happening on your site in the last 30 minutes. The pages view focuses that live activity down to specific page titles and URLs, helping you verify if visitors are currently on the page you care about. It's especially useful during launches, campaign pushes, or troubleshooting when you want immediate confirmation that your tracking is working and users are reaching the right content. You'll typically see active users, their locations, traffic sources, devices, and engagement signals associated with the page. If you have a lot of pages, use the search bar to find the one you want. Type a distinctive part of the page title or a segment of the URL, such as the slug after the slash. Keep your search simple at first, then refine with more specific terms if needed. If your site uses query parameters, try removing them in your search to avoid missing matches. Also be mindful of minor URL variations, like a trailing slash, which can show up as separate entries. Once you've filtered to the page you're interested in monitoring, watch the real-time metrics update. If you expect traffic and see active users, you're in good shape. If numbers are lower than anticipated, consider whether visitors are currently on the page or whether the tracking tag may need a review. Give the report a moment to refresh and keep the page open while you monitor a campaign, test a link, or confirm that a recent change is getting visibility. That's it. Open your account, click Reports, go to Real-Time Pages, and use the search bar to find and monitor the exact page you care about. This quick workflow helps you validate activity in moments and stay confident that your analytics are reflecting what's really happening on your site.